Saddest day of the year is officially here. That is the day. Put the boat on the trailer, take it out of Torch Lake for the season. It's October 2nd, so been crappy. I haven't used it in several weeks. I'm sure we'll get a couple more nice days, but in reality, like, this is what happens. It just gets trashed. So take it out now, get it cleaned up, put it in the building before it's too freezing cold out, and should be good to go. I'm gonna go out for a little bit and enjoy it, so that's the plan. There's still a fair number of boats here in the marina. Like, obviously Kirby's is out because it's broken, but for the most part, there's boats in just about every slip. It's crazy how many boats aren't out right now. I'm not gonna record the final part on the ramp here, and I didn't get a clip of it. Total failure. All right, so that's it. I'm gonna wipe down the back of the boat the bottom half of the boat. I did the top earlier. It was a great year, great season. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.